telling me.
If they're going to wipe this thing, like that. If so, they're living. That your new house, stop this nonsense. You know what? You know what? You know what? You your new house. That goes with that. What if you don't? Now it's a get mad. Stop this nonsense. They deceive you. I will leave you here. I'm ready to go. I will leave you here. WYZE1. I will leave you here. WYZE1. Your blood goes. I am ready to go. Alex. I will leave you and I'll go outside. Man now. Man now. You think I'm joking? WYZE1, listen to me. I'm ready to go. I don't mind. I will share my property to my family. WYZE1. I'm ready to go. WYZE1. I'm still talking. What's that for this guy? Come here. What's that for this guy? Come here. Guy, come here. No, they do this rubbish. No, they do this rubbish. No, they do this rubbish. This is not why you brought me here. You said I should come and talk to Mariam. I thought you're not necessary now. Alex, see how they would tell WYZE1. Alex, I am still talking to you. You know I'm arrested. That one, if you over my TV, I'm arrested. If 12 and nowhere on a back, when I go carry and talk again. Okay, you don't talk like that now. Yes! You don't use TV now. Yes! If 12 and nowhere on a back, when I go carry and talk. My major concern is Mary shouldn't have been in your house for 3 nights. She should have been in your house now. Mary should not be. It's not even supposed. When they were beating her, where is it? Who beats her? Why is the same judge? Show me my condition. Why is the same judge? I said why you beat her because she was not aware of my condition. My children was angry. Yes, nobody is beating me. I will not lie. I will not lie. The whole world. I will not lie. I asked Joy to beat her because she was insulting me, but Joy never did. Joy never did. Show me the mark. Joy never did anything. Show me the mark. Oh yeah, so this is what you want to blackmail me. You want to blackmail me? What did I do? What did I do? What is my crime? I am mad. Mary, because somebody call my wife. You're my friend. Get up to police. You're stupid on my friend. You bang my friend. Mary. Shouldn't be WYZE1's house. I still maintain my stand. I don't hear you. You don't hear me, Abi. Return his wife to his house. I did not bring his wife here. That is what a good friend is. You're telling me. If they're going to wipe this thing, like that. If so, they're living. That your new house. Stop this nonsense. You know what? You know what? You know what? Enter your new house. That goes with that. What if you don't? Now it's a get married. Stop this nonsense. They deceive yourself. I'm not deceiving anyone. I'm not even married. I'm not deceiving anyone. This nonsense. You are a liar and a deceit. If you want her, why should you like it? It is not in your position. It can never be me. What is my wife? What is my wife doing in your house? No. People they tell me this. Alex, you know there was a day I didn't even see. You will strangle me. I'm sorry. Somebody tagged me to the video. You are going to strangle me. Mary, there was something I posted. WYZE1 was driving. WYZE1 was driving in the car, right? And Mary was like this. Everybody's here. Her leg was wide open. Yes, she did operation. In the car. She's not was sitting down here. She know your pants, Abi. What kind of a thing is that? You are very sensitive human being. A married woman. WYZE1, I am still telling you. Okay. It is a different thing for them to accuse you. I don't want to make blood. And it is another thing for them to be iota of truth. You get WYZE1 room. Have you ever seen me with WYZE1's girlfriend? Have you ever seen me with WYZE's girlfriend? Carry this boy go. I've seen for myself. No. So he consulted my. Now waiting I come from. No, and you know concern me say but she's in your house, Abi. Okay, she walked in here. She's not a baby. She's not a baby. Leave when she wants. She will leave. I have no right to say that. I say let's go. Wait, so you want to say you put down? I will not. Take me anywhere. I will swear. You swear. I am not like you, and I will never. I am a very. I am not like you, and I will never have anything to do with you. I will never have to do my friend's wife over my dead body. This guy is over my dead body. Let's go, Alex. Alex, let's go. Do you know I'm not feeling fine? Do you know I'm not feeling fine? Let's go. Alex, do you know I'm not feeling fine? I know you're not. Something is wrong with me. Let's go. Alex, you know something's wrong. Kill you. I want to kill you. Let's go. This guy's planning to take me off. Let's go. This girl, you are crying for Mary. You say Mary that you are beating. This girl, you say Mary, I love her, and you cannot show the world that you love her. Say I beat Mary. I came to talk to you. Okay, you are not talking. I'm not talking, right? You plan to destroy my house. You don't destroy her. I am not talking. But in everything I have said, that just make a sure no one will feed you with the email. As a traditionalist, I swear, God will never forgive you this thing. If God forgive you, God will never forgive you. If God forgive you, if God forgive you, if God forgive you, if God forgive you, come in. God forgive you. No. Tell them get out of my house. Let's go. Hey, you're born with
my wife.
Problem.
Yeah, no, stop here.
I'll
frustrate you.
Come on, vote.
Guy.
Let's leave. I'll leave this place.
I will leave this place. I will leave this place.
If I just go here without you,
I will leave this place.
You go down.
I'm ready to give. I'm ready to give up.
So you can give up for family.
I'm ready to see. I'm not giving up because
Let's go.
I'm giving up because I'm disappointed that
Let's go.
Someone like you can do this to me.
Don't come here. No.
Someone like you
can
do this to me. Guy,
you love her. You cannot show the bond that you love her.
No. WYZE1.
You get joy.
Okay.
Don't be happy with your joy in the house. I love to get peace.
Let me tell you one thing.
What's the problem?
There's one thing I will tell you.
Are you alive?
WYZE1.
If I touch this girl,
WYZE1.
tradition, 3 days you go die.
God
die.
I cannot die because of a woman. My destiny is high.
Okay, make it
Use
good.
your mouth out with your teeth.
Let's go.
I'll frustrate you.
You are frustrated already.
Guy, if I don't frustrate you,
Alex,
Let's
I
go.
opened this door because of you.
I know.
I opened this door because of you.
I appreciate the fact that you opened your door because of me.
Get out.
And I have seen it.
Get out.
WYZE1.
Get out.
I'll frustrate you.
Okay, get out.
Guys,
My last get out, I go break.
I don't be a bad person.
Problem.
See, I don't be a bad person.
Get out.
I don't be a bad person. But you do me this one.
See that thing. I will leave it to you that you your mind though.
My doctor,
I will leave it.
Go buy coffee for them.
My wife get your house.
Silent photo for obituary.
They don't already tell me.
Ma don't have bam.
Prophets already
You
tell
can tell
me.
me coffee. Blow up forever.
Prophets already
Come
tell
on,
me. Prophets already tell me what you want to do.
I can never
I know your
ask
plan.
me to leave my house. Never.
You can never ask me to leave
She
the
will
house.
go where she won't go.
Let's go.
Never. I repeat, never.
I've said what
You
is
can never
wrong.
you can never ask me to leave your house.
Never.
Somebody's family accepted me willingly.
And
I have
Like
seen
your
what
family, like the
you wanted
chameleon.
me to see. I've heard it.
never.
Yeah, let's go.
My family is chameleon.
You go buy this TV. Okay, you can show them this.
Don't bring our family into this.
Why?
Everything I've been saying here.
You don't follow
I'm
in
so
my
specific.
family. You don't follow insult my family that time.
You want me to remind you?
Yes, remind me. Now I'm reminding
Alex,
you. You don't follow
you
insult
want
my
me to
family
remind
that time.
You trying to make
You don't follow.
Trying to make
Now you want to be a good brother. You don't follow.
Wicked. We're ready to go. That's the last thing I'll tell you. You are counting it right. As an Igbo man and a traditionalist that you claim you
Get
are.
out.
Onye na-asaru mara ebe ọ nọ.
I have been too calm with this man.
If they accuse you, let them know the truth. Safukwa n'eziokwu.
Clear conscience, fears no.
Let's
If
go
they
to
accuse you,
Read Bible.
let them
Let's
know
go
the
to
truth.
the
No go be elder wey say no dey chop rat, but they use stick dey share
I
rat
am
for
pure. I am
children.
not like them. I am not like you people. Me, I'm clean. Rich, right?
Bring everything.
Bring any
I
of
will
your God.
swear.
Let's go now.
I'm not like you.
I am not
I'm not dirty.
Is Mary doing
Now waiting be the difference of my mama trainer and how that is your mama trainer. They are two different people.
She should go.
Rubbish.
But what is Mary doing in WYZE1 bedroom? Then?
Go and ask your ancestors.
What did she get to enter your
Go and
bedroom?
ask
You
your
want her to go?
ancestors.
Why are you asking me?
Yeah,
I want her to
Lemon,
go.
I'm leaving this person.
Simply.
If you're not coming, I'm leaving this person. Wait,
Let's together now.
You
WYZE1,
have your opinion. Say whatever you want to say.
Let's sleep together.
Take me any
Okay, let's leave this place.
I'm going to repeat it when I talk. I'm not
Okay,
sure.
let's go.
Guy, if I free you, I will torment you.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Even in spirit world,
Go.
I
Don't say everything about you.
I'll leave here.
For this way you
do
do.
my hand like this.
For this way you do.
If I close it,
I swear to God, I will torment you.
if I open your
I
ears,
will torment you and I will crush you.
Shut up, you know
Bro,
yourself.
I will fight with the last drop of my blood.
Bring out everything now.
Let me disgrace like this.
Let's
Now you disgrace
Abeg,
yourself.
come on.
You don't see another woman. Now Mary.
Massage.
Oh, because of this thing. You don't see another woman, Mary.
go.
Look at my TV. If you are being wait,
Wait,
my TV.
Call your Victor all day. Tell your guy, follow your guy. Call Victor, I
Smash,
should
give my
get
phone.
from there.
Smash, give my phone. Give me. I don't want to get happy. Okay, behave yourself in my house. Behave yourself in my house. What is wrong with you?
I don't know how I explain my person. I don't know. I don't know what I did.
I'm going to my house.
Can you stop this nonsense? One.
He's here.
He's here.
Victor, follow your guy.
See a person.
Me.
Come, come,
Let me do like this. Let me do like this. Let me do like this.
What did I do?
No,